Chicago's biggest summer music festival gets underway this week in Grant Park. Lollapalooza is 4 days of nonstop music with more than 170 performances on 8 stages. So joining us now is Kelly Rizzo of Eat, Travel, Rock with a look at some of the acts to watch out for this year. Kelly, I think every year they can't top it. They can't top it. And then I see some of these band names and it's incredible.
It is, and this year it's its 25th anniversary, so it's going to be bigger and better than ever, and it's actually 4 days, which has never been done before.
Interesting.
So 4 days of this, guys.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so let's talk first about Thursday, because you actually said you're going every day. There's
going
a
all 4 days. Yeah, I think I'm taking the next week off after that. Exactly. So on Thursday, Lana Del Rey is my pick for the day. You know, she's beautiful, she's sultry. And even though her music's very cinematic, but even though she's had some big hits and some chart-topping albums, she still feels like an indie act, so you still kind of feel like you're seeing somebody behind the scenes a little bit, and I love that about her, that it's kind of the best of both worlds.
I also feel like she's probably somebody you must see at some point in person.
Yeah.
To hear her.
Yeah, exactly, because her voice is so unique. Her music's very unique.
Okay, so Friday, who do you like?
So an up-and-comer, Muddy Magnolias, and they're a female duo out of Nashville. I love my country music, so I had to get a Nashville artist on there. And they have these powerhouse vocals. Their harmonies are incredible. And, you know, it's like see them before they're huge, guys, because they are going to be really big.
I love new country, too. That's great.
Yeah.
Saturday, wow. This is incredible.
I don't know if you've heard of them. Definitely another up-and-comer, the Red Hot Chili Peppers. No, they've been so huge on the scene since 1989, since their first big studio album release. But I've been a huge fan for 25 years, and I've never seen them live.
Really?
So, yeah, I'm ashamed of it.
Sure.
But finally this year it's happening, and you know, they just released their new album, The Getaway. Their new single from it is huge and it's brilliant, and I mean, it's like if you haven't seen them, you've got to see them now, because their show is so high energy and it's a must-see.
Must-see on Sunday. Who do you like?
Must-see on Sunday, Third Eye Blind. I mean, who doesn't love a good 90s throwback? And I just feel like they were the soundtrack to the late 90s. It brings back my college years. They're such a fun band. And who didn't have a crush on, you know, cutie bad boy frontman Stephen Jenkins back in the day? So you got to see them if you haven't seen them. All
right, and before we go here, we're kind of running out of time here, but you brought some must-have items with you for Lollapalooza. First and foremost, you say go hands-free.
Go hands-free. You got to be comfortable. You got to, I mean, obviously to cheer for your favorite band, but also just to be happy throughout the day. I mean, you've got to have one of these. It's not a fanny pack, it's a belt bag. This one's actually by 84 Rockwell, and they come in all different like shapes and sizes, all leather, made right here in the USA.
Very easy.
And you can stock it with, you know, your must-haves for the day, like sunscreen and chapstick, face blotter sheets. You gotta look fresh throughout the day, and of course your Lollapalooza app.
Okay.
This has maps, it has schedules, you can create your own custom schedule. And I mean, you can't really survive Lolla without the app. So
yeah, you got to know that to navigate.
Exactly.
Good stuff, good tips. Kelly, thank you so much for coming in this morning. We appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
And this reminder again, Lollapalooza starts this Thursday in Grant Park.